Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we're opening a Amazon Prime package, and inside is Eco Dot 4th generation with a clock. Let's open it and see how it is.
You better careful.
This is the Amazon Eco Dot 4th generation. This is the Eco Dot, and the clock will show up right there. It's got the two wire holes right there, and stop. If you're putting a music on, this is to increase the noise and to make it not loud about. And this box has the wiring and the instruction manual. And when we set it up, we'll show you how it is. For my room, and it has a night glow, so when we sleep, because I'm scared of stuff that will come and pick me up at night, it's really good, so I don't get scared, and it's real nice. Right here, the blue light will shine, and it can set a timer in the morning, and then you just tap it and it'll stop. And it's for my room, and it's super cool.
Yeah.
And it can help me in my homework. So this is the new this is the new one, this is the old one. There's now a clock. This is the second generation, this is the fourth. And this has a bigger speaker than this one, so this can be louder than this one. And I'm gonna ask, what's my name? Alexa, what's my name?
I'm talking to Mirza Safiella. This is Adnan's account.
And now the old one, I think so, could do the same. Alexa, what's my name?
I'm talking to Mirza Safiella. This is Adnan's account.
My name is Safi Allah Adnan, and this is my dad's account that they're saying it from. My dad put in the setting for both of them. And
Alexa, who's Imran Khan?
Imran Ahmed Khan Niazi High PP is a Pakistani politician and former cricketer who served as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan from August 2018 until April 2022, when he was ousted through a no-confidence motion. He is the founder and chairman of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, one of the largest political parties in the country.
Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 5:45 p.m.
Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Woking it's 16 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Tonight, you can expect cloudy skies moving in and out, with a low of 10 degrees.
Alexa, what's the news today?
Welcome to BBC News, bringing you the latest from across the UK and around the world. To move through your playlist of stories, just say next or back at any time. And to hear a roundup of the news and sport where you are, you'll need to link your BBC account. To make this easy, we've sent a prompt to the home screen of your Alexa app. Once you're linked up, we'll use the postcode that you set in your BBC account to give you the local news from your area.
Hello, this is BBC News. I'm Molly Perella. On the way, the Chancellor faces Tory party members after his huge U-turn.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why was the rabbit so happy?
Why?
Because some bunny loved him.
I get it. We are listening and have listened.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, What's 5 times 5?
5 times 5 is 25.
Alexa, what's 125 times 125?
125 times 125 is 15,625.
Alexa, what's 1,000,000 times 1?
1 million times 1 is 1 million.
Alexa, I want to go from Heathrow to Lahore right now. What are the flights available?
From kayak.co.uk. Virgin Atlantic is the only airline operating direct flights from London Heathrow Airport to Lahore.
Alexa, what are the best nearby cinemas?
I found a few nearby movie theatres. There's Nova Cinema, 1.6 kilometers away on the Peacock Centre, Ambassadors Cinema, 1.6 kilometers away on the Peacock Centre, and Rhoda McGaw Theatre, 1.5 kilometers away on Victoria Way.
Alexa, is it raining today?
No rain is expected tonight.
Alexa, give me the recipe of chicken korma.
Okay, for chicken korma, I recommend chicken korma from BBC Good Food, 35 minutes to make, serves 4. What would you like? Start recipe, send it to your phone, or hear next recipe.
Next.
Next is chicken korma melts from BBC Good Food, 35 minutes to make, serves 4. You can say, start recipe, send to phone, or next.
Start recipe.
Chicken korma melts from BBC Good Food. There are 8 ingredients. Would you like to gather ingredients, or hear the instructions?
Hear the instructions.
Step 1. Heat oven to 200°C/180°C fan/gas 6 and arrange the chicken in a large oven-proof dish. Beat the cheese, korma paste and the 1 tablespoon coriander together with a squeeze of lemon. Squeeze the remaining lemon over the chicken and spread the curry mix on top. Scatter over the chili and bake for 15 minutes. When you're ready, say repeat, or next step.
Next step. Alexa, next step.
Step 2. The final step. Remove from the oven. Add the tomatoes to the dish, then return to cook for another 10 minutes. Scatter with more coriander and serve with rice and salad or new potatoes and vegetables.
This is not the desi version of korma, chicken korma. This is the English way to make it, but we make it differently, the Asians. It's really fun. It's got a lot of information in it, and it's very fun for me. But a lot of information it doesn't have in it. It's really surprising. It still has a lot to improve. So, can you speak Urdu?
I don't know how to speak Urdu yet. To know the languages I can speak, go to the settings menu in the Alexa app and select device settings. Then select your device and navigate to language.
If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.